Hello everyone and welcome to our video. Today we're going to cover the 15T project in the Elecrow Crowtail STEAM Edu Kit for Microbit Kit, soil moisture, how to use the Microbit and a soil moisture sensor to detect soil moisture and display the value on the LED screen. In this project, we will learn how to use the Microbit to connect to a soil moisture sensor, read the analog value of soil moisture, and display it on an LED screen. In this project, we need to prepare the following components, where a soil moisture sensor is a device used to measure the moisture content in the soil. It helps to monitor and control the irrigation system of the plant to ensure that the plant gets the right amount of water when it needs it. Next, we will start writing the program. Open the MakeCode programming interface and follow these steps. First, create a variable moisture to store the soil moisture. Then display the detected soil moisture value on the LED screen. Once the program is complete, download the program to your Microbit and insert the moisture sensor into the soil to read the soil moisture. You can see the analog value of the soil on the LED screen. In addition, we offer a challenge task, Plant Guard. In this task, you can try to make a guard for your plant using a Microbit, a humidity sensor, and a buzzer. You can build your circuit according to the circuit diagram below. The buzzer will remind you to water your plant when the soil moisture is below the set value. I hope you have learned how to use Microbit for environmental monitoring and plant protection through this project. We will continue to explore more interesting projects with Microbit next time. If you like this video, please like, follow, and share it. We will see you next time. Thank you.